Today, childhood food memories. I've got loads. I've got some fantastic good ideas from you guys. Thanks for the comments. The video didn't do fantastic, but there was loads of comments and a lot of interest, and I'm having fun doing it, so I don't really care. Imagine this, guys. You're a mother, right? You've got 2 kids, just come from school, hungry kids. They want spaghetti. It's gonna be like, oh, I've worked all day. I'm gonna peel onion, boil water, spaghetti. This is bucatoni, but anyway, spaghetti. Open a tin, pulpa, make the sauce, boil the water, and that's spaghetti. And the kid's gonna make so much mess with it. Anyway, the English food scientists noticed this. This you can just get rid of. Forget about it. How can woman coming from work take care of the kids, cut, peel, boil this? So the head scientists of the food department of the United Kingdom, they all put their heads together and they said, what can we do here? We can put it in a tin. Not only that, the kids have problem picking up the spaghetti. We're gonna hoop it as well. The Italians think they invented spaghetti, you know. I had a lot of comments. I did this spaghetti on toast a long time ago. And they were, Mamma mia, spaghetti, you English, you don't know how to eat. But we know how to put spaghetti in a tin. We put so many things in a tin. And it's yummy. Yummy pasta, it must be because it says it on the tin. Heinz spaghetti hoops. Yummy pasta with a juicy tomato sauce. One of your 5 a day. I'm gonna get this out because it's even smaller now. You won't believe this, guy. Guys, you won't believe this. A whole tomato is squeezed. Hey, that would be a good job. Like the tins come along and you've got the tomato. You have to squeeze it in the tin. A whole tomato is squeezed in every portion tin. Incredible. Energy, 5%. Kids, that's why I've grown up like this. I'm tall. Fat, 1%. Saturates, 1%. Sugar, that's a whopping 9%. And salt, we won't mention the salt. Anyway, no artificial colors. Oh, that's good. I mean, who would want a purple spaghetti? Low in fat. No artificial flavors, so it's the true tomato spaghetti. This is a nice one. Let's see what this says here. Low in sugar. Well, I think it was a bit high in sugar, but lower in sugar. Iron supports normal cognitive development. Wow, I don't know what that is. Vitamin D supports normal bone development. This you can put it in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. But we're gonna do like we did the haggis. Did you like it, guys, the haggis? I know a Scottishman is still trying to catch his haggis. The trouble is he's running the other way around the mountain, not the way we said. Anyway, we cover it. You put it in the microwave 2.5 minutes on full whack, and you get it. Any trouble, get in touch with them. They've got the telephone number. Store it in a nice, cool place. Well, that's the problem in Malta. Spaghetti hoops, 42% water, drum wheat. I'll put the ingredients because I don't want to go through them all. It's got some acid in it. It's got spices, got garlic, got salt, got onion extract, spice extract, iron, sulfate, and vitamin D. Eat as part of a varied diet. So spaghetti hoops, don't make it your full diet. Try and sort of vary a little bit, they're saying. I mean, you can't really have spaghetti hoops every day. Like, I suppose you can make like beans and hoops. I don't really know. Really, you have to do it on a balanced diet and make a healthy lifestyle. It's vegetarian. Now, I was being asked, Steve, why are you doing so many meat dishes? Do a vegetarian. Here it is. Heinz hoops. Let's get going. I've got the toast ready. I've got the butter ready. I'm going to put some ketchup on top. We've got the hob. Let's put it up a little bit. We'll put it up full. Let's stop. It's squeaking a little bit. Wow, okay. We got one of these tops again, guys. Let's see how we get on. That's a bit, Heinz is a bit easier. Wow. Look at this. I told you guys, English food scientists, look at this. Hey, it's nice cold. Me and my brother, we used to eat cold. Have you ever used to eat beans cold? And I've been on them. They're all right. Anyway, let's get the toast on the go. Oh, well, let's show you. They look lovely. There we are. Heinz spaghetti hoops in a tin. Let's empty the tin out. It's going to take a few minutes. Heat gently, it says. Not like I did the haggis. I need to set it on fire. Let's put it down a little bit. Toast is going. Give it a bit of a stir. We can get rid of this here. I remember coming home from school and we were like famished. We didn't have things like they have these days, eh? It doesn't take long to heat up. It was just me and my brother. Just mom alone. Dad died when we were very young. That was funny in those days, you know, like what they're doing now. Because I can still remember Dad going to work. He was a truck driver. In fact, both of his sons got into trucks. Isn't that a coincidence? I started off from school. I left school without qualifications. My mom almost killed me because I remember she said to me, I wasn't that clever anyway, but all my mates had the girlfriends, you know, like obviously I had a girlfriend. They all had motorbikes. I wanted some money to buy a motorbike. She said, you know, stop. You remember you had the going on after 16 or 17, you could go on at school or you could leave. I forged her signature. That's why she got pissed off with me. I left, got a job, got a motorbike. I remember this girl left me after about 6 months. Hey guys, that's life, eh? There we go with the toast. Oh, I think, yeah, it's good, the toast. The only thing I'm lacking, I have to use Morty's bread. We used to have like that, remember that, guys? That thick, white, sliced, I loved it. Let's give you a shot of this. Spaghetti hoops in a lovely, rich tomato sauce. But I'm gonna pimp it up a little bit. I'm gonna put ketchup on top. We used to be crazy, ketchup on everything. My mom used to, I remember she used to flip this Morty's bread. But we used to have, like I say, it used to be thick, sliced. This is ready, guys. Oh God, this video is going to be short. Can you imagine, like, the Italians, kids coming home from school? Mama, I want some spaghetti. Oh, go and play for like an hour while I chop the onions, while I chop open the tins, fresh tomatoes, take the skin out, herbs, get everything all ready. English mom, no. What do you want, kids? Spaghetti. 5 minutes. This is like 2 minutes, so anyway, my toast is ready. This would be white sliced. This is loads here. This is enough. I didn't look on it how many it serves. Let's just put a bit on the top. That's some lovely sauce. Wow, look at the sauce, guys. How many servings it serves? I didn't look. The last one it told you. This is your 1 of 5 a day. So what's the other 4? The other one is beans, mashed potatoes. Hey, I'm going to show you these in a minute. In fact, while this is still a bit hot, I'll show you what I've got planned for you guys. You're lucky guys. Doesn't say how many servings it's got here. Wow, look at this, guys. The great taste of Heinz locked in. Ah, that's unbelievable. 200 grams per tin. You know, I forgot how much it cost me. €165, I think it was, something like that. I bought a few other things. It's still a bit hot. Baked beans on toast. Heinz, of course. Hey, I've got some spaghetti as well. This is just common, not like this hoops. Beans, chili beans. I will remember we had going camping, we had beans and chili, so why not in a tin, eh? Oh, curry beans. I've still got this one to do. Free bento, steak and kidney. I looked at the one in the supermarket. They got 6 flavors now. Minced meat, there's chili, there's curry, there's so many. We didn't have those in our days. We had just steak and kidney. That's what I'm gonna try. And what about this guy? Mr. Mash. There was a Cadbury's one. Remember, I've been chatting with somebody online about it. She said, remember those aliens? They said like, wow, those stupid English people, those stupid aliens. They're saying those stupid Earth people. They peel the potatoes, they mash them all up, and we've got it in a powder. Anyway, let's get back to this. You can be polite, and you can cut it. Or just shove it in your mouth like this. Wow. This is still good, eh? Heinz. They don't lack on the flavour, Heinz. Or you can use technology. Look at this. How easy is this? Spaghetti hoops. A little bit better warm. That's really good. Mom, can I have some more? Wow, it's still very hot. So what would you rather do, guys? This lovely spaghetti with no artificial colouring. Whole tomato. Yummy pasta with a juicy tomato sauce. And don't forget, it's one of your 5, so you can forget the other one. You can just concentrate on the other 4. No artificial colouring, low on sugar, no artificial flavouring. This is what I want to Google. I want to know what this is. Cognitive development for iron. But it doesn't say it's got iron in it. Anyway, guys, spaghetti hoops, tomato sauce with iron and vitamin D was lovely. Bringing back my memories. See you guys. The other one's coming up. We're going to do about 1 a week. See if you can give it a thumbs up for me. The other ones I'm going to try and do Saturday, go to the adventure, do an English cooking one, probably around Tuesday or something like that. I'm a bit messed up sometimes. Sometimes I get a bit busy at work, so I try and get them out there anyway. See you guys. Thanks a lot. Hope you enjoyed it. Spaghetti hoops from Heinz. And with some, oh, I forgot to put some tomato ketchup. How did I forget this? Let's see if it makes any difference. I think it makes a bit of a difference, you know. Gives it that richer taste. It does, you know. It gives it like a spicy taste. Hey, I love it. I'm gonna have some more. Yeah, put some ketchup on top. Even brown sauce we used to put it as well. Bye guys, Englishman. Hope you enjoyed it. And it's childhood memory, food memories. See you soon. See you next week.
exercise. So please subscribe to my channel and give me lots of likes.